okay, always constant na siya. So, but with this relation ng kuan class, no, we can say that the current flowing a resistor is changing with the voltage across it. Meaning, if na sudden increase sa voltage na to, okay, or sa pressure, so na po sudden changes sa atong current, di ba? Kay since directly proportional naman sila. And then if constant atong current, plus no, if constant atong current, meaning ang voltage had is constant. Now we can say also nga the greater the current, the greater the voltage. So simple lang. Again, recall ta sa Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ang Ohm's law, we have katong triangle na to, no? Which is V, I, and R. Okay? You have voltage equals to current times resistance. Okay? And then current is equals to voltage over the resistance. And the resistance is equals to voltage over the current. So, ma-observe ninyo no sa relation sa current and voltage, di ba? Dire, okay? Directly proportional gyapon ang atong current, and also when it comes nga mag-find taguan is directly proportional gyapon siya sa voltage. So, in this a simple recall of fundamental knowledge, it is important for you to appreciate this part of presentation. Okay, so confronted with the other elements in their simplest model. So bali, mura na na siya kung ano, di ba sa DE class, no? When we say sa DE, when it comes to linearity, okay, namatay word nga linearly proportional. Di ba? When it comes sa linearity, always yun na siya nga dapat mo appear lang o ang independent variable is mo appear only o one power. So, dire, ang power sa each nga element na to is one only. Okay, that's why linearly proportional na siya. Okay, now, arita sa inductor. So, sa inductor class, no, okay, na po siya yung mathematical model, which is same ra gyapon sa resistor, but interesting lang ni siya, okay, when it comes sa inductor and also sa capacitor, okay. You can see in the slide nga inductors are circuit elements, okay, with terminal voltage that is proportional siya sa derivative of the current, di ba? Okay? So may bot pasabot ana. So let's simply nga if you have an inductor, then you take imong voltage ana. So directly proportional siya sa rate of change of the current. So let's say nga current na to, let's say I, di ba, I is current is equals to zero. Ano? Zero or constant. Let's say constant to ang current. Let's say 5 amperes. Okay. This because okay, mo sa bot pasabot sa voltage niya when it comes na siya sa inductor, di ba? Natay 5 amperes. Okay. If we take the derivative of this current, di ba? di dt equals sa mahimo siyang 0 ampere. Now, we can say mo unsa man ni siya, ang VL nato is just equal sa or voltage across the inductor will become 0. Okay? 0 ang iyahang reading sa voltage. Now, kuan, you have to remember class ko in DC, okay? In DC circuits. In DC, um, the steady state modeling of inductors, okay, are regarded as short circuit. Okay? Bali, ma-short circuit ra na siya iyang representation. Okay? Now, if mo kuha kag voltage siya ng inductor, no, meaning zero ra na siya. Okay? Again, dapat if na current, okay, equals na siya sa change of or derivative of the current with respects to time. Okay? Again, short circuit ang inductor. Basta sa DC lang. Okay, balik ta. Basta ang tipanan lang ninyo, ang inductor is short sa DC, pero if moabot na ta sa AC class, okay, lahi na na siya iyahang iyahang function.